Welcome everyone. My name is Zanele. If we are meeting for the very first time, this is African Multi-Design, the channel dedicated to entrepreneurs and content creators, helping you build your brand on a low budget. So today we're looking at the last section of our series on digital business cards. So we're going to look at the app called SwitchIT. Once you've downloaded the app from your app store, you just open it and then you go straight to dashboard. So when you are registering on the app, it's going to ask you for an email and your details, and then you are able to add a new card. So then you would click on the add a new card and then you type the name of the card. So you could have multiple cards on the same app, and it's going to allow you to attach if you're running different companies or businesses. So once you've opened the card, it will highlight in green where the information has been added already. Where it's white, it asks you to add the content. So for example, the title, you would add if you're a founder, whatever role you play in the company, and then you would add the name of the company. And you just click OK and you carry on like that and adding the details as you go on. So you would add your website. One thing to note is all of these websites and social medias and email addresses, they are links. So if the customer gets the final version of your digital business card, then they are able to just click and then they access the Twitter account or the Instagram account or your website without looking in their bag trying to find a business card, because we know nobody looks for business cards anymore. So same with social media accounts. You just add the name of your social media accounts, and then the software will show you with a tick, like you see on Twitter here, that you have added the social media account. So you do that with all of the social media accounts that you have for your business, and that would be all the details in green that's added. So the logo is a paid version because we are free and we're trying to build our brand. For now, logo is only available if you are on the paid option. So, but you are also able to add an address as well as attach a document. The last bit is the design tool. So with the design tool, you're able to change the theme color to suit your brand, and you're also able to change the font. So you can choose the font and leave it or pick whichever color suits your company, and then the body of your font, and you just click save. And the last two things are the video that you can have on your business card. So if you can choose a video that's less than 25 seconds, you just add the video, you click on trim, and the app will just load the video behind your business card, and it kind of looks cool. So if you're in fashion or beauty and accessories or whatever, real estate, you can have a nice video that introduces your brand to the world. Same applies with the image, which I'll show you just now. Let's just quickly have a look at the video. So it's loading. While the video is loading, the content of the card is white. So that tells me I need to go back and amend that, because we need to have the ability to see the body of the card. So you just click the darker and you go back to preview, and then it shows. That's how you edit. It's quick and easy, just like that. So all the social media would be listed there, and your email, you see, when you click once, it shows you that it is a link, as well as the website. It takes the client directly to your website, which also applies to your social media accounts. Kinda very, very cool. So the last thing I want to show you is the image. You change the photo and you choose whichever photo you'd like at the back of your business card. And then it looks cool. If you want to have your logo there, you can do that. So whichever photo suits your brand, you just pick and choose that one. I'll just choose that one just for interest's sake. And then it loads. And when you look at it, it would have loaded and it looks like that. So the proper card that I have done, I'm going to show you now. You just click save and it saves successfully. And if you want to have a look at it, you just go to cards, and then you go to your cards that you've loaded and you preview them. So this is how mine looks like once done with all of my social media accounts. If I'm ready to send it to the customer, I just go back to the dashboard, and then I have a choice of sending it via text, email, or QR, or social media. So for practice purposes, I'm going to choose the email, and I'm going to choose the card, and I'm going to send it to spare, and I'm going to send it via email. And then you go send. And then it opens the email and it sends to your customer. So once they get it on that other side, they don't need the app to open the card. All they need to do is to just click on the link that you would have emailed, QR'd, or whichever way you've sent it through, even on social media. It opens up the business card nice and easy. And whenever you make changes on the card, they are instantaneous. The client doesn't need to get another link, which is really, really cool for our line of work as business owners. Thank you for joining me for this video tutorial. I hope you will click on the link on the like button. And if I'm adding value to your business, please subscribe. It helps my channel very much. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next video.